Today, I'd like to introduce a high-end IPTV server and DVD platform, a dual-platform solution. We can scramble IP streams, and it comes with 6 gigabit ports. All the gigabit ports are customizable for input or output, and we also have these 2 10 gigabit ports. Here at the front, we have the reset and power buttons, allowing you to restart without unplugging the power. This is the internal structure, which includes the motherboard, hard drive, and various modules. Let's turn the machine around to look at the rear panel. This is the back of the unit. There are a total of 6 slots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of these slots can be moved freely as needed. We've equipped it with dual power supplies, but you can also opt for a single power supply. The dual power supplies can be switched between each other. Let me introduce the modules to you. This module here is for receiving 8 satellite downlink channels. Let's take a look. 1 transponder input, 2 transponder inputs, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8. So why are there 2 rows, one above and one below? The main reason is for loop-out functionality. This way, we only need a single cable to connect them, essentially daisy-chaining them together. Alright, let me demonstrate for you. This is for connecting the satellite antenna, and this is for the loop-out. Okay, like this, and then we loop it around like this.
Flash.
If what we're receiving isn't a free channel, but an encrypted WeChat channel, then we need to use this card and this module. We find our decryption card holder and insert it. Okay, it can hold 2 cards. Inside here is a decryption card. You can insert 2 cards. Okay, 2 cards. This one is for simple encryption, and this one is for receiving satellite signals. At the same time, we also have another one that is exactly the same as this satellite receiver. It is also for decryption, but it receives SDB, DVB-T, and 2 DVB-C, 3 modes in total. So we have 3 different tuner technology modules. The first one receives free WeChat, the second one receives encrypted WeChat, and the third one is a receiver module that combines ISDB, DVB-T, and 2 DVB-C, 3 standards in one. This module can receive both free and encrypted signals. Okay. In addition, we also have an encoding module. Our encoding module can handle 8 channels in one module, and it can take 8 inputs. You can plug them in directly. Just plug them in directly. We also have another type. Another type is this one, which doesn't have an output, and it also receives free WeChat programs. There are a total of 8. For all the modules, we can install up to 6 modules at most. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 modules. If your system wants to support both 2000 volts and 3000 volts IPTV, and at the same time receive free programs from satellites, as well as encrypted satellite programs, and also receive local ISDB, DVB-T2, and DVB-C channels, these signals require this type of module. Additionally, if you have a dedicated satellite receiver or a dedicated decoder with HDMI output, you will need to use our encoder's HDMI encoding module. Each module supports 8 channels. If you have 16 channels, you just need 2 modules, which will occupy 2 slots. Our system has a total of 6 slots, which fully meets your system requirements. This system can also output modulated signals. For example, with our system, we can add a modulation module. It provides modulated output for K-band transmission or supports IPTV via a modulation module. Inserting this, you can see here, is the module. RF out is the output. So it provides modulated output. It can also take IP input and provide modulated output. It outputs all encoder, received, satellite, and decrypted programs through this modulation output. By using this module, you can output to another channel. The so-called programs here can also be output via IPTV. This system supports a large capacity for thousands of IPTV users and cable digital TV transmission.